Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make vegetable broth for your 6-month-old baby. I'll be using the following ingredients: 1 carrot, 1 potato, 1 zucchini, and heart of lettuce. Now I'll go ahead to peel the carrot, the potato, and then remove the bottom and the head of the zucchini. And after that, I will go ahead to cut it into bite size, and then I will show you the rest of the video. If this is your first time of coming across this video, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thank you. Now I'll be prepping the lettuce. Remember, we are using the heart of the lettuce. We are not going to use the whole lettuce. So I'll go ahead to pluck off the back, and then I'll remove the bottom, and thereafter I will continue to pluck it off until I get to the heart of the lettuce. If you have watched this video up till now and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you on your notification so that you'll be the first person to receive any notification whenever I upload a new video. Now this is what I'm looking for, which is the heart of the lettuce. This is what I will be using. Now this is the water, 1 liter of water. I'll just go ahead to on my gas and put my clean pot on the gas cooker, and then add 1 liter of water into it. I will bring it to a rolling boil, and after that, this is the fruit. I washed everything already clean, and now I'll go ahead to add all the prep vegetable into my boiling water. And I'm not going to be adding any salt into this. So I will cover this to cook for 5 to 6 minutes on a low heat, and after that I will open it up. Now that it is cooked, I allow it to cool down, and I will go ahead to sieve this, because we are not going to be using the vegetables, only the broth we'll be using. And please don't throw away the vegetable. You can either blend it or you just use it to do frittata. So this is the broth we have, and I'm going to be using this to give him food. Okay, this is what we have. Now I'll go ahead to store this in a clean container. You can also put this inside freezer. I went ahead to divide this, and I put some parts into freezer. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.